Hi everyone, this video is about how to submit your entry to Divi program. The first thing to do is to go to Google, then type Divi Lottery, then click on this first link, diviprogram.state.gov, then go, and keep in mind that you need to have all the information before start your entry. Then have a professional photos to be uploaded and accepted on the Divi program. Then click on begin entry. Then go and fill these fields. Last name, first name. If you don't have any of those names, just check this button, go down and scroll, then write your information here, choose and type carefully your information, then go and upload your image. Here type your mailing address, then choose your country, the country where you live. Keep in mind that you need to have an eligible country for the Divi program. I will leave you this link to check if you are in the eligible country. Then go and write your number phone, your email address, then retype it, then choose your level of education you have achieved, then choose your status, married, unmarried. If you are married, you need also the photo of your wife, then type the number of children, then click on continue. I will check if there is as you are seeing that they focus on the photo you have uploaded. So go to a professional person to have an acceptable photos in the Divi program. This is all for Divi Lottery today. Thank you for watching this video.